This is how to use the Untamed Composition of Grace Daily Skincare Kit. Let's start with the cleanser. This cleanser is called the Beyond the New Light Brightening Foaming Cleanser. Just one puff and you're good to go. This is a soft foaming cleanser. It gently detoxifies and illuminates the skin. Make sure you do this whilst in the bathroom. You rub your face with the cleanser in a circular motion. Don't forget your neck area, and you wash off your face and dab with a clean towel. Dab, 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 and your face is all set for the face serum. This is called the Esoteric Moon Rejuvenating and Brightening Serum. Come on now, look at the bottle. This is beautiful. It revitalizes collagen, it brightens and it strengthens with all natural antioxidants. Just one puff and it will go round the face and neck area. Just dab it in. Please do not rub. Wow, I am already glowing. On to the next, we have here the Skin's Moisturizer. You need to moisturize your skin. Oh my God, look at the bottle. I was carried away by the beauty of the bottle. Kai, see packaging now. This is called the Quiet Storm Deep Nourishing Balm. It strengthens and moisturizes and also boosts your skin. Just take a little bit of it and dab it also around your face and neck area and you are good to go. Come on now, do not forget that this is also it serves as an eye cream, so you can rub it around your eye area. And we move on to the next. This is the body serum. It is called the Ecstasy of Existence Feminine Antioxidant Body Serum. Hey, the Untamed's naming game is on point. Okay, you puff this into your pan and then you rub it around your body, or you can mix it with your already existing cream. However, I would like to apply mine like that, and then whilst rubbing it, rub it upwards to pump blood into your body. See fine, baby. Come on now.